Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to Money Talks UAE. Money Talks UAE is all about how to make money, how to save money, and how to grow your money, especially if you're living in the UAE. So I am using in the UAE, and I'm sharing with you guys my own experience as an investor, as someone who wants to be financially free. And I'm guys showing you all the mistakes that I'm doing and all the things that I'm doing to get some free money. It's like extra money. I'm not gonna say free, but it's like extra, and create some more passive income. So if you are new to the channel, guys, make sure to subscribe. We are almost 1.2 subscribers. I'm really glad to see this number is growing, and of course make sure to watch the previous video. If you don't know anything about Sarwa, guys, make sure to watch the previous videos. And also very important one is the playlist that I am having here for you guys. This is my Sarwa progress since I started in January of 2021, so last year actually. And you can see the progress and how's my account doing and how much money I'm gaining and all of that good stuff. So now let's head to the Sarwa account. And as you can see, guys, my portfolio is getting crashed, and I lost all of the earnings that I get from last year. So I invested $10,100 so far, and I used to have almost $1,000 earnings, and now it's only 19. So it's like I lost $1,000 already, and I am guessing that this is not it, because I am still guessing that the market is still gonna go down a little bit, and probably I'm gonna lose more money in the upcoming days. All right, so let's go ahead and see the assets and what's going on. So as you can see, the assets here is like my VTI US stocks is down from 16 to 5.2%. It's still in the positive zone, but according to the rest of my assets, it's not enough. So developed markets is minus almost 2%, emerging markets minus 7.2%. US real estate is the one that's doing well in my portfolio, and it was over 20%, and now it's down to 14%. And Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin is the one that's really giving me a bigger loss. So Bitcoin, guys, if you never trade Bitcoin, or you don't know how the market of Bitcoin is moving, Bitcoin is really crazy. It's like a crazy ride that you can have in your portfolio, because it goes up like crazy. It makes you super happy when you see a lot of gains, and it makes you really sad when you see the downtrend and the Bitcoin is going down. So that's exactly what's happening here. I only have 5% of my total portfolio on Bitcoin, so it's not a big deal. So imagine if I have more than 5%, my balance would be really suffering. So that's risky, but still it's not as risky as a lot of people are trading in the market. So that's why I like Sarwa on managing this account, because they know how to divide your money and how to use it properly. So they could have given me the option to use a lot of percentage, like more percentage of Bitcoin, but they only put 5%, which is great. Okay, bonds is only 6%, and bonds also are not doing that well. But if you can see, like, bonds compared to Bitcoin, you will see the difference of the percentage that my portfolio is down. So 5% in global bonds compared to 3.8 in Bitcoin. That's a huge difference. So that's actually a huge difference. So that's too much risk to take with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. And you should be aware that Bitcoin is very risky. So don't trade Bitcoin unless if you are aware of the risk. So you're not gonna make millions from Bitcoin, but also it's very high risk, and it can blow your account very easy. So if you are using Binance, if you are trading cryptocurrencies nowadays, you know that the market is really red and down. So be careful from that. And now let's go to the past performance. And as you can see, guys, my last week trend is down. It's from 10,500 and now 10,100. And even last month, you will see that we were starting with a downtrend from here. Okay, so we started like losing around $300 in this move. So I saw this downtrend and I wanted to deposit money and take advantage of that dip. So I did deposit $1,000. It went a little bit up in the beginning of the week, I mean the middle of the month, and then it starts crashing again. So it's like I lost half of what I deposit in just like 15 days. So I deposit $1,000 and I lost almost like $600, which is more than half of what I put in the Sarwa account. But still, this is giving me another opportunity to start more money. It's like put more money into this account, because now is the best moment to start investing, guys. So if you are still new in Sarwa, you don't know anything about Sarwa, make sure to watch my previous videos that I show you in the playlist, and use the link that I'm going to give you guys to get a free $50 once you start with Sarwa. Just deposit $5 and you will get a free $50, and that's it, guys. You can start investing, deposit some money, and start taking advantage of this tip, because this is the same period that exactly I started investing with, and the price was exactly in the same place. Like, let's say for example, I'm going to show you the trend. So as you can see, this is the downtrend that I'm talking about. All right, so it's actually very deep. It went, VTI went from 243 and now it's in 219. So it's like if you go back in time, it's gonna be as if like you start your investing journey here. It's like in May 21. So it's the stock market is giving you a very good opportunity to start right now. And you see here the market is all red. And also if you go to cryptocurrencies, because I list all of my important assets here. So if you go to Bitcoin, for example, you see this huge downward movement. So this is huge, guys. A lot of people, they bought here in 64 and now they're losing like half of their money. It's crazy, because this is cryptocurrencies. This is Bitcoin. Ethereum, guys, I am considering actually investing in Ethereum nowadays, because now the price is very cheap compared to the last previous months. Like you can see, even in November, the price was 4,700 for one Ethereum. Now it's like almost the half, 2,500, which is great. And I'm looking for it actually to go down to this area, because as you can see, this is a very strong support, like 1,800. So I will place a order here, a buy order, and if the Ethereum went down a little bit and touched that order, I will be buying some Ethereum with this price. All right, because I know Ethereum has a very good future, same like Bitcoin. Okay, these two are like the strongest things that you can have in cryptocurrencies. Okay, but I'm not talking about buying selling in the same time. I am a long-term holder, so I will buy some more and keep it just in case the price go up like sooner. I will buy, I will hold that one, and if it goes even lower, I will try to buy more, because I really believe in these two, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They will have a very nice future. But you have some altcoins, or like, so you have like this Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. These ones actually you can also start trading these ones, because it's also going down in a very interested zone. So you can buy them out, because these ones, they are really high risk, and but if they go up, they will give you tons of money. So if you have some money that you don't actually mind to lose, because the risk is high, so if you don't mind losing some money, make sure to put it on these Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, because these two are really in an interesting zone. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Make sure to put some money on these ones. XRP as well, as you can see, is also the same thing. So all the cryptocurrencies, they're following Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin is going down like this, all the cryptocurrencies will have the same movement. So just giving you guys an idea about investing in general. So the market is still crashing, and take advantage of this crash, because after all of this bad news, after all of these down movements, we will start having a very big movement to the up direction. So be smart, take advantage of this dip, and even if the market starts to crash again and goes lower, make sure to buy again. So as long as you have capital, as long as you have cash, so try to manage your cash and try to buy some of these assets. Okay, if you have like $1,000, for example, in cash, don't put 1,000 exactly on this spot. Okay, but try to divide your amount of money and try to split your entrance. Like when you want to enter, don't put 1000 here. Like you can put like 100 or 200 here, and if it goes even lower, like to this zone, buy another 100, 200. If it keeps going, buy again 100, 200 until you reach that interesting zone, and or you don't have any more money to buy these dips. So at least you will take advantage of all these down movements, because the stock market is always going up, guys. Doesn't matter how many days or how many months it will go down, but in general the stock market is always going up. So as you can see here, it's always going up. This is history repeating itself, guys. You might have crashes like this one, 2018. You can have this coronavirus also here, but still it's always going up. So this is history, and the history is repeating itself over and over and over. So you must be smart and you know how to react about it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. As I said before, use the link that I'm going to put in the comment section below, so you can get a free $50 once you start investing with Sarwa. Once you start depositing your money with Sarwa, you will get a free $50 just like that. So take advantage of that, and until then, thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.